sarap.
Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to cook the chicken skin in air fryer. And this one, we're not going to use any oil to know if really crunchy and tasty in using the air fryer. After I wash, I boil this one in 20 minutes before we start to cook. Okay, let's start and put this chicken skin in the air fryer. And I'm gonna show you what temperature and time we're gonna use it. Set into 200-degree temperature and in 30 minutes. So guys, this is the chicken skin. We're going to take it out first, the oil that we collected from the air fryer. So this is the oil from the chicken skin. And also, we don't put any oil on that, but it will remove the fats. So guys, ito na ang ating chicken skin, very crunchy. Yeah, it's already removed this oil. This is the oil that we collected from the chicken skin. So try it guys, this one in your air fryer. The chicken skin without oil, just put it directly. You can do boil it before you cook it, or else you can do directly after you wash it. This is our chicken skin by air fryer. We cook by air fryer. Let's try this one, how crunchy. This one. So crunchy without oil. Chicken skin.